Yeah, can you explain your framework, whatever you worked in your organization from end to end?
Yeah, so I have used Cucumber in my project for, for using Gherkin language. So in my project, I have used Oops concept, and I have created first. I have to create the project using Maven. In Maven, I use first. I have to add dependency using pom.xml file. After that, I have created the feature file. Inside feature file, different feature file is there. We have to write test cases. After that, we are using page object package. In page object package, different page object classes I have used for inspecting that different web pages. In step definition package, step definition file is there. Step definition file in which whatever the feature file we are creating, according and corresponding method should be written in the step definition. After that, I have used a runner file. From runner file we will run our test cases. After that, I have used utilities class used for data driven testing. And resources, I have used different resources to take the data. Okay, so I'm going to explain each and every step of our framework. For I have taken the open card cucumber of the project name. After that, when we are creating, we inside that we have pom.xml file is there. Pom.xml file, I am using the dependency for required project. Yeah, for this plugin is there for running our test cases, and dependency for adding the required libraries. For this, I have used Selenium 4.25.0 version I have taken. Cucumber JUnit I have taken 7.17.0 version. Then Cucumber Java I have taken 7.17.0, and Apache log4j core I have taken for generate the log.
Okay.
So it is version, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Can go ahead.
So 2.20.0 I have taken for log4j API 2.20.0. For reading and writing the data from the Excel sheet, I have used Apache Py 5.2.3 and 5.2.3 for Apache Py OXML. And common IO for generate the random value, so that I have used 2.11.0. And common lang 3 also same for generating the random value. And grasshopper extend report cucumber 7 adapter I have used for generate the extend report. For that, I have used 1.14.0 version. After that, we have to update our project. After that, I will create the feature package. In feature package, I will write the uh, test cases by using Gherkin language, like given, when, then format we have to write. First, we have to give the feature name is login with the valid credential I have given. And scenario I have given. Before that, I can give the tag name equal to sanity and regression. After that, in this scenario, I will write the high level scenario like successful login with valid credential, like it is a positive testing. After that, method we have to give given, when, then. Inside given, when, then, we can use and keyword, and basically concatenate. And given, we will write the given the user navigate to login page. When condition is the we have to pass the valid username and password. User enter the email address. This email we have to pass, and password equal to this password we have to pass. After that, we have to click on login button. We can write in the and keyword, and the user clicks on login button. After that, we have to validate. Like, then user should be redirected to my account page. This should be showing. After that, step definition file is there. Step definition file, corresponding login feature, step definition file is there. No, For that, we have to write the page object classes. In page object class, we have to inspect that element. For this, I go to home login page. Login page. Three things is there: constructor, elements, and
Before that,
exception.
you have to develop the base class,
Okay.
because in this you are extending the base class, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Inheritance. No, no. Can you scroll up? Yeah. See,
Base
extend
class.
base class means inheritance. You are using inheritance, right? So you have to discuss about base class first.
Okay. And base class, which browser we want to launch, or remote or local. For that, we will use like base class I have created. Then static WebDriver reference variable we have taken. After that, property file. For property file, static properties p reference variable I have taken. For log generate, for this I have taken the reference variable logger, which is coming from the logger class. It is also static. After that, I will use public static WebDriver initialize browser. I have one method I have taken through IO exception. If get property execution environment I have taken equal ignore case is remote. This property file I can take from the resources config.property. From here we can take execution environment remote or execution environment local. From it will fetch. From here it will fetch to base class. Okay. If you pass the remote, then it will execute our test case in remote environment. If we pass local, it will locally run. Okay. After that, in giving the condition like after remote execution, after that which Windows or Mac we want to launch our browser, like different hardware. For that, I have used if get property equal to OS operating system equal ignore case Windows. Then we have to launch the window driver. Like capabilities set platform equal to Windows 11. We can launch our browser through Windows 11. After that, if else get property OS equal ignore case Mac, then it will launch the Mac browser. Uh, mm, Capacity set platform equal to Mac, else no matching element. After that, browser like operating system is done, then browser switch get property browser equal to two lowercase case equal to switch case I have taken case equal to Chrome capability set browser name Chrome break case add capability set browser name Microsoft Edge break case Firefox capability set browser name Firefox break default system no matching browser. After that, I will run my remote. I will run my remote, and then we have to write driver dot new remote web driver interface. Remote web driver class I have taken new URL, and URL we have to pass. Then it will launch the browser through remotely. Then capabilities. Else if get properties get property execution environment. If it is not remote, then it is local. Then if else condition I have taken if else if get property execution environment equal ignore case is local. Then switch get property browser equal to lowercase case Chrome driver dot new Chrome driver break case edge driver dot new edge driver break case Firefox driver dot in new Firefox driver break default system dot out dot println no matching browser driver dot manage dot delete all cookies. We have to delete the all cookies. After that, implicit wait we have to give driver dot manage dot timer dot implicitly wait duration of second driver dot manage dot maximize the window. After that, return driver, it will go and it will return the driver here web driver. For this, I have taken one method public static web driver get driver return driver. And then we have to use property return the property public static property get property through I exception file file reader file equal to new file reader system dot get property user directory. We have to pass the file property whatever the file property is there, like config property. This property name we have to pass. User dir, yeah, config property we have to pass that. And for logger purpose, we have to write public static log get logger method, and logger equal to log manager get logger return logger. Then logger will be execute. Public static random string for the OXML. We have taken the random string. For this random string alphabet, we are using the method called public static string random string get string name generate string random string util dot random alphabetic. If pipe we have to pass pipe number, it will generate the number alphabet and return generate string. For random number, I will use public static string random number, random string util, random numeric 10 digit random number it will generate, and it will pass in the generate number in the string format. After return generate number, whatever the random number it will generate, it will return. After that, I have used random alphabetic like alphanumeric combination. For the email address purpose, we will use combination of user id username and numeric value. For this I have used random string utils random alphabetic 5 and string format random string utils random numeric 10 digits, and it will store in the num. Then we can concatenate and we can pass in the in this further execution. Base class is completed. Then in hooks class, hooks package, hooks class is there. Hooks class basically used for right like WebDriver get property before method and after. In this before method we will set up like public void setup through IOException driver dot base class initialize browser p dot base class page get property driver dot p dot get property app URL we have to pass through.
So basically, you are passing the app URL from the application dot property file, so you can read from there, right? And you are initializing the browser from hook class
Yeah, we can launch the our browser from
based on
hook.
the requirement. Like suppose URL is like a dev URL or staging environment, you can give there. You can give in the application dot property file, and also you can pass the browser name, right,
Hmm.
from the property file, or you can read in hooks class, you can use, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Then we have to maximize the driver driver dot manager window dot maximize. After that, public void tear down and scenario we have pass from where we have passed this scenario. Then driver dot quit method we will use. After that, if anything happen, like we have to take the screenshot. For this I have used after every execution like public void get add screenshot one method is there. Scenario we have to pass. If scenario dot is failed, take screenshot ts equal to take screenshot driver byte format it will take
take
screenshot.
take a screenshot is a interface, right?
Yeah, take a screenshot is a interface.
Okay.
TS do not get screenshot as a method of take screenshot, and it will output type is bytes format scenario attach screenshot, and we have to pass the path and scenario get name. Whatever the execution fail, it will give the name also. After that we can come to page object package. In page object package, different page object classes is there. For login feature we will write the login page class, page object class. Inside page object class, three things is there: constructor, elements, and action method, locator and action method. So for login purpose we will write the public class login page extend base page it will take from the factory package. And public login page WebDriver driver and super dot driver we can pass. It will go to the base page driver, and it will execute. It will take that constructor. After that we will use a init element method like find by annotation and xpath. We have to find that email address is there for text field, and we can store web element text email address. After that password is there, so we can find the password by using find by annotation xpath, and we have to pass this give the xpath. After that we can store in the web element in the form of text password. After that, using find by annotation, and for login button, XPath I have given for login button, and we can store in the web element login button. After that, different variable we can call by using this class action method, like public void set email, and we can pass the string email, and text email address dot send keys email, public void set password string password we can pass, text password reference variable, and send keys dot pwd password we can pass, and password, all this thing coming from email password, yeah, coming from the property config dot property. 1 2 3. After that, we can log in, click on the login button, so that public void click login button dot click we can perform. After that, we can go to the step definition. Login steps is there. So login steps, we are using home page hp equal to login page lp equal to my account page macc, and link list of hash map string format and data map, given that different method is there, like given the user navigate to login page. In login features file also same is there, navigate to login page, yes. And then we can definition, yeah, login page, then public void get navigate to login page, it is a method. After that, we can call the base class dot logger for logging purpose, go to the my account, click on login. After that, we can call the home page. Before login, we have to go to the home page. For home page, we also inspect this home page. For this, we will go to the page object classes. Home page is there, home page extend base page, constructor is there, home page web driver super driver,
Mhm.
find annotation my account page. So we can store that my account by using link my account. For register also web element link register. For login also use link test equal to login web element we can store using reference variable login link. Find by annotation, we can use that find by annotation by using XPath. Then we can use web element text box find by annotation for search the button. For this, I have taken the XPath and web elements button search. After that, we can click on this my account, and then after that, we have to click on register. After that, we can click on the link login link. Click. After that, we can enter the product name, string product name, some text search box, send keys, ptm, public void, click on search, then button search dot click can perform. After that, we can come to login steps. Yeah, home page is completed, then home page we can click on my account, then click on login. After clicking login, when the user enter email address and password, we have to pass the in the string format email and password. Then email and password it will go, and base class don't get logger, we can pass the logger message here. After that, login page reference variable equal to new login page base class get driver we can pass, and login lp dot set email we have to pass lp dot set password we can pass the whatever the password you can take in, this password we can pass. And all this password, all this email coming from property file. After that, when the user click on login button, for login button also we have to click. For this, I have used one method public void click on login button. Inside that lp dot click method we can use, and base class logger click on login button. After that login, we have to redirect to my account page. Then the user should be redirected to my account page. Then I have used one method public void user navigate to my account page. After that, my account page is there. Reference variable MACC equal to new my account page base class driver we are taking, and it will give the like boolean value true or false. Then is my account page is exist. If it is exist, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. For this, I have used assert. For failing or passing the execution, I have used assert dot assert equals target page equal to true. If it is true, then it will pass the execution. If it is not true, means false, it will fail our execution. Okay.
So this is a soft asset or a hard asset?
It is a hard assert.
Okay.
If it is soft assert, then we can create the object. By
Mhm.
creating object, we can call this soft assert method.
Okay.
After that, we can go to for registration feature. For this registration feature, I will use features equal to account registration regression scenario successful account registration given when then. In given format, I have used the user navigate to register account page when the user enter the details into below fields. It is a data driven testing for registration. No, only we are giving the data: first name, last name, telephone number, password. All this thing it will take from the here feature file. After that, and the user select the privacy policy checkbox is there, I think. Then we are using like, and the user clicks on continue button. If we just click on the continue button, then the user account should create successfully. Okay, one account should be created. For this, I have to create the page object classes. For page object classes, a registration page we have to create. For registration, we are using public class account registration extend base page. After that, public account registration web driver super driver, we have to create the constructor. After that, we have to inspect this first name text box. For this, I have used first by find by annotation name equal to first name web element text field text first name. For last name, I use at the rate find by name equal to last name web element text last name. For this email, I will use find by annotation name equal to email web element text email. Find by name equal to telephone number. I have used for telephone. We can store in the web element by using text telephone. Password, I have used find by annotation name equal to password web element text password. For confirm password, I will use find by annotation name equal to confirm web element text confirm password. For agree policy, we can use find by annotation name equal to agree web element check policy. For continue button is there. For this, I have you inspect this by using find by annotation xpath equal to this xpath we are giving and storing in the web element in the button continue. For this, after that, click on button, one message should be appear. So this method we can capture by using find by annotation xpath normalize space equal to account has been created. So you can store using web element message confirmation. After that, we can use write that action method like is a parameter public void set first name string app name first name we have to pass text first name dot send keys app name, it will take the first name. After that, we will use find public void set last name and string last name text last name. One method element is there. So by using this, call this method name send keys and last name it will take. For send key email address it will entering. For this, I have used public void set email string email it will take, and text email and send keys email. And public void set telephone it will take the string format. And by using this element text telephone send keys telephone. Public void set password and string password I have taken text password equal to sendkeys dot pwd. Then public void set confirm password equal to string pwd text confirm password dot sendkeys pwd I have taken. Then set privacy policy. For this, I have used this method public void set privacy policy and check policy dot click. I can click method I can perform. After that, click on continue button. We have to public void click continue method is there. For this, I have used this reference variable button continue dot click. Then public string get confirmation message. We can get the confirmation message by using try catch block. Return confirmation message dot get text exception catch exception return get message. Whatever the exception is there, it will return. After that, we have to for registration object page object classes is created action method account registration. After that, we can go to the step definition. In step definition, account registration, I have used WebDriver driver, homepage HP, login HP equal to LP, account registration page equal to reference variable reg page. Given we have to, according to the feature file, registration feature file, we have to writing the step definition method. For this, I have used given when user navigate to register page, account register page, public void user navigate to account register page. For this, I have used that reference variable of home page. First, we have to go to home page. After that, we can go to registration page. For this, I have used HP equal to new home page base class get driver HP dot click my account, click my registration register. After going to registration, we have to perform the action on the registration but registration page. For this, I have used when the user enter the details below field, public void said user enter the details into below field data table. I have used map string format string format data type equal to data type as map string class string dot class. Registration page reference variable is there, so I have taken reg page equal to new account registration page base class get driver, will taking the driver of the registration page. After that, we can click on the registration then set first name data map in dot get first name, it will take the registration page set last name data map dot get last name. Registration page equal to set email base class random alpha numeric, I have used. After that, at the rate gmail.com, I have taken. Registration page equal to set telephone data map equal to get telephone. Registration page equal to set password data map dot get password. Registration page equal to set confirm password data map equal to get password. I have taken. For this, when the user select the privacy policy, for this I have used one method is there public voids user select privacy policy. Name your registration page set privacy policy, it will click on privacy policy. When the user clicks on continue button, for continue button we will use public void user clicks on continue button registration page in dot click continue. After that, we can validate the user should be get created successfully, user account should get created successfully. For this, I have used one method public void user account should get created successfully. String confirmation message equal to register page get confirmation message assert dot assert equal confirmation message your account has been true, both are matching, then our test case is pass, otherwise it will fail. Or this we can use like after that registration and login step definition, we can come to test runner file. In test runner file, in test runner file, we will use at the rate run with cucumber dot class at the rate cucumber options. In cucumber option, we can pass like features equal to features dot login feature, features equal to registration features also is there, we can write. Then feature registration is there, and glue for step definition joining. So glue equal to in curly braces step definitions package name and hooks class name, we can pass hooks package name, we can pass. After that, plugin dot pretty HTML report generate HTML report return txt. Dry run false is check the mapping between scenario step and step definition method. Scenario steps in feature file and step definition in the step definition package. Step definition package. For this, we will use dry run. If it is any mismatch in this, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Monochrome equal to true to avoid junk character in the output. Publish equal to true to publish the report in the Cucumber server. Okay. After that, we can like public class test runner. From here, we can run our test cases. Yeah. So after that, one more is there for data-driven testing. Data-driven testing, I have used features equal to login data, data-driven Excel scenario outline, login data-driven Excel. Given the user navigate to login page, Then user should be redirected to my account page and passing email password with Excel row index Excel row index. It will taking from here 1 2 3 Excel data it will taking. For this we will write that test data. In test data we will write the username, password, and result, valid or invalid. For this, I have used utilities file. In utilities file, data reader is there, class is there for data reader, public static hash map, string store value equal to new hash map. It will store the value in the hash map format. Public static list hash map string data file. File input stream file equal to new file input stream file path we have to pass. Then XLSS workbook equal to new XLSS file. XLSS sheet equal to workbook get sheet name. In total row equal to sheet get last row num. Excel header sheet 1 0 get row 0. For int I equal to 1, I is less than total rows, I plus plus. XLSF row current row equal to sheet get row I. Hash map string current hash new hash map string. For int j equal to j0, j is less than current row last get last cell num. J plus plus. XLSF cell current cell equal to current row get cell j. Current hash put get header row get cell j to string current cell to string data. My data dot add current hash file close return data. Basically it will take the in the form of string format data. It will fetch one by one row in the row and column format. Data reader store value is there. After that we can use in the login page. No, registration. Yeah, like that we can take. And for resources, I already discussed about config.properties. Extend properties is there. Extend properties, extend report Spark, extend report Spark, out dot report Cucumber, extend report HTML, screenshot DRS, screenshot path we can pass, screenshot rip path can pass the path, base folder name, class also date, month wise, hour wise, extend report Spark 3 dark. And log4j2 is for using the log generate the log file. For this I will use appenders and loggers. In loggers we can pass the root level equal to all, trace, debug, fatal, error. And appender files equal to file or console, we can generate the our file logger file. And for log generate, it will create one logger automation. And report, for my report HTML, it will generate a report by default. And for test data, I have used this one. Yeah, this is my project, end-to-end project, Cucumber project.
Okay. Okay. So data-driven testing, which means your test data. Can you show me the test data?
I think this one is my test data now, or this one.
Uh, okay, you are checking login functionality for DDT. For DDT, by using of DDT, you are checking like with Excel sheet login functionality, right?
But here it will taking. I have doubt like row index 1 2 3 is taking. I think this 1 2 3 is taking here. One two
Uh,
three.
that 1 2 3 taking from here, and can you open Eclipse? Yeah. So go ahead. That one test data reader, data reader. Utility. So inside the utility, you are reading the Excel sheet from there. So you written the code for this one, okay?
Yeah.
And then in the can you go to another folder? That one, login functionality, login, steps, login steps, step definition. See below data driven testing, line number 59.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is a step for reading the data from the Excel sheet. So see here, you already using the Excel sheet location of the Excel sheet 63 line number. Get
Yeah.
property open dot this one, okay, and one by one you are running. You are see data table 69 number 69 email data map dot get index like 1 to 3 whatever you mention in the features files you are taking the index from there, okay. So
Yes.
that index number referring to Excel sheet
Yes.
like this, okay.
Okay. For password also 1 2 3 time it will take.
uh,
Password it will give. Index for result valid invalid it will
mm,
also take, and
mm,
it will analyze and it will execute, or it will give the pass or fail or execute.
Correct.
Different data, valid or invalid data.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Then we can like that. After that, we can go to that email and password. After that, clicking. After try boolean target page mac equal to is my pay account is exist. System dot target page if a equal ignore is valid. If
Okay,
target
can you execute this code by using a runner file?
yes, yes.
It will work or not, can you check? Features file, yeah, only features file, okay, can you read? No. Can you comment this one? Line number 17. First comment the line number 17.
Okay.
And remove the 16 line number, remove the comma.
This one.
Uh, Control S, save the file.
Hmm.
Okay, and then run the test run.
Correct.
Mm,
Test runner, na?
mm. Can you open Eclipse? Okay, something issue with. Can you check report? Open the report. No, it's not running. I think so. Okay. Can you see? Excel sheet. Go to Excel sheet. No. Below. One attachment is there. A screenshot. No, any screenshot.
No screenshot.
Okay. Something is so. Assertion. Okay. Some assertion failed. Something should be assertion, but true, false. Okay. No issue. So we will check in the code and we can debug this one. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
thank you, Asad. Thank you so much for your explanation.
Thank you.